All right, guys, we're out here in Powder Springs, Georgia, doing an install today. I'm gonna show you guys why we install drip edge and how to install it. So let's go. All right, guys, I'm up here on the roof. Take a little seat. This right here is what you call drip edge, right? So the reason why you install drip edge is because you don't want water that's dripping off the edge to come back into your roofing system. So you install it by nailing it down with cap nails, and what happens is when water's running down the slope of your shingle and it gets to the edge and it wants to run off, it can turn back around and come right back up underneath your decking, underneath your shingles, everything else. So you put a drip edge on, which does this and kicks out a little bit. So what it does is the water drips off the edge, it comes down, and then it kicks back away from the house. So it keeps the water from coming back into your roofing system. Super important portion of a roofing system, especially around your edges, to make sure that you have the best watertight barrier that you can have. Hey guys, so there's a couple things that I wanted to tell you to round out our whole video on drip edge. One, it is required by code. So if you get an estimate from a contractor that's cheaper than, us or any other reputable contractor that you're working with, check and make sure that they've included these code items like drip edge. It's very common for them to leave that off and then get a little bit lower of a price and try to undercut everyone. But again, remember, it's required by code, and I'm going to tell you what code it's required by so that you can ask and be educated on this. So let me read it off so I don't get it wrong. It's R905.2.8.5 from the 2018 International Roofing Code, or International Residential Code. And it reads, drip edge shall be provided at eaves and rake edges of shingle roofs. So if you get an estimate from someone and they haven't included this, they are not building your roof to code. That is not a contractor that you want to work with. Code matters, whether it's enforced or not. Their rebuttal might be, well, they don't enforce code around here. Well, it's a building code for a reason, because it's proper building practices. It's the lowest amount that you have to reach in order to build a roof or a structure or anything to the building codes. So always remember that when you're going through an estimating process, or if you're going through the insurance claims process and your adjuster is telling you that they don't want to pay for drip edge because it's a code upgrade. Building something to codes isn't an upgrade. It's the minimum standard of building. So I hope you guys learned something in this video. Please follow us on YouTube. Please follow us on Facebook. Please follow us on LinkedIn. That's at Big Time Roof LLC. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.